Which of the compound has stereogenic center? What is a stereogenic center or a stereo center? I'll take one compound. OH, H, COOH, CH3. This is an sp3 hybridized carbon atom, means a chiral center. 4 different groups are attached to the central carbon atom. If this is one isomer, if they interchange the groups that are there on the horizontal line, I'll get another isomer. So how these two are related? Object and image. Means optically active, non-superimposable mirror images. So what is happening here, if I interchange two positions, the interchange of two groups bonded to an atom results in a new stereoisomer. Okay, that atom can be an sp3 hybridized carbon or sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now we learned with an sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Let us learn with an sp2 hybridized carbon atom. CH3H, CH3H. So both the CH3 groups are on the same side, cis isomer. If I interchange the groups on one carbon atom, if interchange the groups that are there on one carbon atom, what happens? Both the CH3 groups will be on the opposite side now. Means cis isomer is converted to trans isomer if I interchange two groups on one carbon atom. So an interchange of two groups bonded to an sp3 or sp2 hybrid carbon results in a new stereoisomer, means it's a stereogenic center. Now let us see how many stereogenic centers are there and how many compounds have stereogenic center. If you say this carbon is chiral carbon atom, on one side C2H5, one side Cl, one side CH3H. So this is a stereogenic center because if I interchange two groups, I'll get a new isomer. And here also this is a cis form. If I interchange these two positions, I'll get a trans. So this is also stereogenic center. And this is oxime. Oxime also exhibits geometrical isomerism. If H and OH are on the same side, it is syn. H and OH on the opposite side, it is anti. Okay, A, B, C are possible. Coming to D. Here in D, there is sp2 hybridized carbon. But geometrical isomerism is possible only if the groups attached to the carbon atom are different. If any single carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized, out of the two sp2 hybridized carbon atoms, if at least one sp2 hybridized carbon atom is having similar groups, then there is no chance of geometrical isomerism. So which of the following compounds are stereogenic center means A, B and C. D has no stereogenic center because similar groups are there on the sp2 hybridized carbon atom.